The sunken cooking jacket emerged as the judges' pick in this year's Young Scientist Kenya National Science and Technology Exhibition. The Young Scientists Kenya, otherwise known as the YSK exhibition, reveals the depth of creative talent inherent among the youth, which needs nurturing to industrialize economies. Created by 18-year-old Bradford Nyangiri and 17-year-old Felix Makori of Menyenya Secondary School in Nyamira County, the winning innovation stood out among 1,780 submissions of young innovators in the chemical, physical, and mathematical sciences category, specifically in the energy and transport sector.
We are very happy to be here, and we have been participating all through from the sub-county level of the Kenya Science and Engineering Fair till we reached the national level and became the third best project and the most innovative. And now we have participated in the YSK. The experience here has been really fascinating, and we feel very happy to have won as the best overall project, and we just thank God for all this.
The overall winners were rewarded with 50,000 Kenyan shillings each, a science, technology, engineering, and mathematics core scholarship from Strathmore University, a trip to Ireland to attend the Irish BT Young Scientist and Technology Expo, and mobile phones courtesy of Safaricom. As opposed to the regular Kenya ceramic jiko, the sunken cooking jacket is much more efficient using combustion pellets and charcoal at a lower rate. It also features a scrubber to neutralize poisonous gases, reducing global warming. It has 3 cooking points, which save time and is additionally designed to be safe for use in confined spaces without producing harmful fumes.
It has been inspired because in our school, we do see the school is using firewood as the major source of energy. So we are looking for ways of reducing that consumption because there are trees that are cut. And then our project is actually tackling the current issue that is affecting most Kenyans.
The exhibition, themed Using STEM to Champion for Climate Change Solutions, attracted 586 entries from schools across 47 counties and 110 showcased projects. 4 categories were exhibited: social and behavioral sciences, chemical, physical, and mathematical sciences, biological and ecological sciences, and technology.
We have been partners with YSK since 2018, and that's our reason for being here. But secondly, and most important, is because we believe that it aligns very much with our purpose and our vision. At Safaricom, we purpose to be Africa's leading purpose-led technology company. We believe that innovation can be a tool that can empower society. YSK is using innovation to showcase to the youth how they can use science to solve societal problems. We want to actually take these ideas and see, can we take them to the relevant industries so that they can see the light of day. So that is something that we have committed with YSK, so that these young scientists don't feel like their ideas have reached the end here. We need to take them to full commercialization.
To the young people outside there, what I can tell you, hard work can take you far, and put God first in your work.
If you have any idea or any innovation, even if you think it's silly, it may take you far. Just expose your idea, and then you may have some sponsors maybe, or even your teachers, technicians to support you, such that you may develop your idea and come this far we have come.